Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, dozens of vendors in the Maypen market are now displaced after a sudden bout of heavy rain flooded the market Saturday afternoon. The vendors complain that thousands of dollars worth of goods have been damaged by water that poured from a hole in the roof. Kelisha Williams reports.
Frustration boiling over the aftermath of heavy rain in the Maypen market Saturday afternoon.
The water come and wet up all of my place, got on my place. Then me fall down, wet up all of my clothes, me have to change it. I'm at this spot 23 years, and today is the first I've seen something like this.
Minutes after the rain started, the vendors say most of their goods were soaked in water, disrupting sales for the day and prompting them to pack up early. Some fear the damage may even be too bad for some of the items to be saved.
You know you flood out. The whole line of flood out. Me don't understand this. They say they fix it and look at it. At this we get river. Look up on it, and stream, everything we get. This here can't work, and they go collect 200 every day.
In the meantime, Mayor of Maypen, Joel Williams, who responded quickly to the location, explained that repair work started on the roof last week, and
as you can see, it's not completed. I called the contractor, and he advised me that there's a section that was open, and that is what caused the flooding, and that this will be completed by Tuesday, Wednesday of next week.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.